Do you have any specific values or beliefs that drives you in the pursuit of your purpose?
Yes, I do. The belief that I have is when the first experience Jesus become real in my life. So I'm a Christian. But I'm not saying I'm a Christian because of religion, but I'm a Christian because I have relationship. So basically here what I'm doing too, I never stop to communicate with God daily because that's how I know this child it needed what they need that I need to prepare. Honestly, I cannot do nothing without him, Mr. Laxley. With with my what I'm doing right now, I'm still amazed how God is really leading me. It's not me. It's not me. Remember, I came from the country that not speaking English, and here I am a teacher. And he really, if I'm telling you, like when one child throwing tantrums, nobody knows what happened. Nobody can handle. But I'm not sure why when I go through and pursue this child, they will have that calm, that safe and then settle. It's really God presence.
Presence of God. So,
Yes.
what unique contribution to your family, your community, your country, you hope that the fulfillment of your purpose will serve?
Do you mean the family and my country now or my country?
Wherever you call, you know, whatever, any way you want to define your community.
So I feel like with everything that purpose that already set in my life, in my family and my community, I will be able to make a more difference, like in bigger, more area. For now, this is how I can reach, but I'm praying that I can be able to reach more, especially those who are really in need that also cannot afford what we have. That whatever that I have right now that they cannot afford to pay. I want to reach more for those that is in really need.
Okay. And so far, and I know you're still very much in pursuit of your purpose, as because it's not a static thing, it's a
Yeah.
moving thing, right?
Hmm. It's a process.
It's a process, absolutely. How has the pursuit of your purpose impacted others, and what difference are you seeing?
Impacting what? I'm sorry.
How has the pursuit of, of your purpose
Hmm.
impacted others? And,
Impacted others.
and tell me about what you're seeing, the difference, how it's making a difference.
So the real thing that I see right now is the changing, those the children that I serve, the changing how they grow. And it's also affecting their family too. Of course, because when we work together with the family, especially with the parents, part of them is like my ministry too. Because some parents they don't know how to handle situation, they got frustration, then I am here to help them to assist with them. And when they are able to see the different in their loved one, the little one life, they feel um, more kind of like confidence that they know their child have a future, a bright future. So what I feel like what I'm doing right now is not only teaching the little one, but is also ministering to the parents that the parents able to share with other people.
I always wonder about a person in your situation when you're giving so much to so many children. Is your tank ever empty when it comes to your children?
That's what I'm saying. When my purpose I know is glorifying God and enjoying, it with him, you never feel empty because you know where you get the source from.
Okay.
And I know for people like how you can do this. I know it's tiring. I know it's tiring, but I'm happy. Like, I'm enjoying it because I know this is what I'm called for. And God is equipped me for this. And then slowly, whenever I feel I need a help, He always provide me help in time of the right time, in time of need. When I need a step, He sent people, the right person. And it's amazing how you are walking with Him. Yeah.
And let's talk about walking and walking in your purpose, or some
Mhm.
people would say align with your purpose or living in purpose. What does that mean?
It means that uh, through this journey, walking means you keep moving forward. You're not stuck walking in the place. You're moving forward. But in order for you to forward, you need to know where you're going and who's you going with. It helps when you have the path that already setting and you stay in the path, and then you got someone that able to align you so you don't go uh to the wrong way. It means that you're walking in a healthy way. That's for me. And then you finally reach your purpose. Not for now. I mean, my purpose is I'm gonna reach more of those. For now, I'm not yet. For now, this is just a start. But
Just
I'm still keep walking.
you know, there's this thing about intentionality, to be
Mhm.
intentional. Tell
Yes.
me, what's that all about? And in terms of your purpose.
So when you do something, intentionality for me is you doing it with your whole heart. That you are willing to put your energy, your time, be intention when you have relationship. You have the real, uh, pure heart intention relationship. You build communication. You build relationship. You just not come and in and out whatever that you like, but you be intention to spend your life with whoever that God trusted you with.
You're very pointed and focused.
Yes.
And what you work with children, right? And when
Mhm.
you talk about what you do with them, how your ministry, you take it to the place right now, your ministry, that's your focus in life. That's why you're here.
Mhm.
It's destiny. Think about destiny, right? In terms of purpose with your friends and family members,
Mhm.
have a common topic for discussion?
It is. It is. Matter of fact, in our church, we also have this conversation a lot because you have to set your vision, write it, and then from there, you will also writing what is your purpose is. You gotta find your purpose if you have a vision, right? And then you find your goal and all the stuff that I have to work with my family and my spouse every year. What is the goal every year that we have to achieve? It's a common conversation is yes.
And I think that's awesome. And
Mhm.
for those individuals who are not having these type of discussions about purpose, goals, and who are not as aware, what suggestions do you have to offer?
My suggestion will be, don't waste time. Value your life. Value whatever that you have because God created you for purpose. God created you for special purpose in this earth so you're able to glorify Him in everything you do. Don't waste time. Don't waste your time. Don't stress out. Don't be depressed. But when you find your purpose and you are working with that, you can see the value of your own life.